Ayan, sobrang init dito. Shoutout sa inyong lahat. Ayan, nagsura ko. Ayan guys, shoutout sa inyong lahat. Nandito tayo. Welcome to my live. For today's live ay magla-live muna tayo ng mga ilang minuto lang dahil habang naghihintay tayo na magbukas yung school dito, mag-live muna tayo para hindi sayang ang oras. So ayan, welcome. Mag-comment lang sa baba para mabalikan natin yan. At huwag kalimutan i-like ang aking video. Nandito po tayo sa actually guys, sobrang init kaya tinakpan ko yung aking harapan. Kasi sobrang init dito. Ayan, nagdadatingan na yung mga sasakyan dito, nagdadatingan na dito sa parking. Ayan, nandito may susunduin ako sa school. Kaya naman guys, i-like nyo naman ang aking live for today. Kaway-kaway, pakishare, share your blessing. Ayan, kumusta po yung election natin dyan sa Pilipinas? Kumusta ang ating election dyan? Ayan, titingnan lang natin sa bandang likuran natin dahil sarado pa talaga yung school. Kaya naman, dito muna tayo mag-antay-antay. Share your blessing. Share. Ayan, shoutout sa 1 million people in the house. Shoutout sa inyo. Nasa tapat ko din yung school. Doon banda. May school din doon. Ayun, doon. School yun doon. Ng mga maliliit na bata. So guys, shoutout nga pala sa aking mga kaibigan na nagwo-work sa school dito sa United Arab Emirates. Shoutout sa inyong lahat. At syempre, Diyos ko Lord, sobrang napakainit dito sa United Arab Emirates. Napakainit, grabe, parang nasa loob ng pugon. Alam niyo yung pugon guys, yung oven, yun, pugon ang tawag doon sa amin sa probinsya. Tinakpan ko to guys, yung panyo ko kasi nakakasilaw sa init. So, para hindi rin tayo mahalata na nagla-live. like and share, send your support. Ayan, show your support guys. Ayan. So guys, maraming salamat sa inyo. Once again, it's me, Ping Biahera, ang driver na vlogger pa. So marami ng mga bus na dumarating dito. Ayun, dumadaan pala. Marami ng bus na dumaraan dito. Yun. I-like nyo naman ang aking live. Like naman. Ayun. Tapos dumiretso na ako dito. Ayan, thank you sa 1 million people na nagtamsak sa aking live. Ayan, dumiretso na ako dito sa school kasi ilang minuto na lang naman ang aking ipaghihintay. Kaya andito tayo ngayon. Black Indonesia said hi. Shout out sa you, Black Indonesia. Thank you so much, Black Indonesia. How are you, Black Indonesia? Thank you so much. Please share my live. How are you, Indonesia? Thank you so much for the like and for the support. Later, I will visit your house, okay? Thank you, Black Indonesia. Mega love shoutout to you. Ayun, meron tayong ano. Why are you laughing? You know me? Later, I will visit your house. Okay? Black Indonesia. Very nice. Thank you so much for the support. I take this live like maybe 10 minutes or 15 minutes. It's okay for me because I am here waiting for the school to open. All right. How are you, Black Indonesia? Can you share me right now your what are you doing right now? Where are you, Black Indonesia? Are you in the Indonesia? Where I am so funny, right? Thank you so much. Thank you. Please share my live. Thank you, thank you. Black Indonesia is in the house. Clap, clap, clap. Oh my god. I just want to make a live this. I will just finish this live like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, okay? Thank you for the support. Thank you. Thank you. Ang babait ninyo. Thank you, thank you. Ayan. Hi guys, please visit the house of Black Indonesia, my friend. You know, I have a lot of Indonesian friends here in the United Arab Emirates. Yes, Black Indonesia. I have a lot of friends from Indonesia. I wish I will come to Indonesia someday, somehow. It's 7 minutes now. I need 3 minutes or 6 more minutes. Thank you for the support, Black Indonesia. How are you right now? Can you say something? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? Can you say? Ayan. Thank you for the support, Black Indonesia. I love it. Thank you, 2 million people in the house. Mega love. Shout out to you. Please like my live. Thank you. Thank you. Sarado pa talaga yung school doon, yung gate, oh. It is still, it's still closed, the door. The door. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Please like my live and share to your friends. Someday, somehow, I come to Indonesia. I will visit Indonesia. I will look for Black Indonesia. Oh my god, there's a lot of... What is this? Already car coming. Yes. Oh my god. I have to close the live because the school is the gate is already open. So thank you, Black Indonesia, for the support. Later I will visit your um channel. All right, because the door is open already, so I need to go inside. Look in the side mirror. It is already open there, so I will go there, but I need to close the car or I will let this car open later. Alligator. All right, so I need to close to end my live. Thank you so much guys for the support. Thank you, thank you. All right, Black Indonesia. Ayun, Hinok ako, Hinok. All right, I need to, because it's very hot. If I... Okay, I will not close the car. I will not close the car because it's very hot. Or I will close na. Wait. Bye-bye.